Good morning. Well, let's go into a quick daily tech brief. This is something actually pretty unusual. According to ScienceDaily.com, physicists create a new form of light. A newly observed optical state could enable quantum computing with photons. Ooh. Take two flashlights into a dark room and shine them so their light beams cross. Notice anything peculiar? Not really. But what if light particles could be made to interact, attracting and repelling each other like atoms in ordinary matter? Or two beams of light could meet and merge into one single luminous stream. That's interesting. It may seem like such optical behavior would require bending the rules of physics, but in fact, scientists at MIT, Harvard, and elsewhere now have demonstrated that photons can indeed be made to interact, an accomplishment that could open a path toward using photons in quantum computing. That is so cool. I won't read the rest of this, but I will post this link. And you can read the rest of this. It's fairly lengthy, but check it out. I'll have this link below in the show notes. Well, that's it for this very brief daily tech brief. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and support. Make sure you click that notification bell so it goes ding when I post another daily tech brief. Ciao.